Hello, investors. Well, hopefully everyone had as good a day as I had. Felt really good about the picks that we had today, and they did very, very well. Was very excited to see how I did. I'm hoping that a lot of you followed and paid attention and got in early on these. Tomorrow's top 7 list, I'm going to try to have out by 6 a.m. Central Time. But anyway, just so that we have, that'll give me the evening just to kind of figure out, okay, which direction we want to go for tomorrow. What direction do I think the market's going to go? Which insiders do I think are just going to go crazy? So on and so forth. But anyway, let's review what happened today. So pretty excited to do so. First is HPQ. Number 7 on the list, went up 6.78%. I like that. That was pretty awesome. It's a little bit down in post-market, but no big deal. Avid, up 5%, 5.09%. Really good volume on that one. You can see the average volume a lot is lower than the actual volume, so it felt really good. It's up 0.6 additional in aftermarket. I think this is going to be a really good stock to hold for quite a few days. I know it'll definitely be on my list tomorrow because I'm expecting big time continuation out of it. So next is Very. This was the big winner today. I thought this would happen. So this morning when I was putting together the list, I was like, I like that insider buy very much. The volume was through the roof, 1.72 million. Not really a lot of news that I'm aware of. I'm not aware of any news that came out on this. To see a 23% jump without any news, I just think it's the overall news that I think the stock's very bullish, and I like this sector. Anything electronic right now is just really doing well in these weird times. So anyway, Very, 23.92%. I hope all of you got in on that. I know I was excited all day. I was doing jumping jacks throughout the day, just going for it. USX, another strong day. This has had multiple days of insider activity. Haven't seen anything yet. I'm watching the insider activity very closely, but USX was up 3% today. Now for the confusing one is parts. It was way up. I was so excited. It was doing really well. And then we saw 3 red bars, then 4 red bars, then 5 red bars, then 6 red bars, then 8 red bars, then 12 red bars. And it was like this crazy sell-off, and I really believe what happened is that we had some selling off, and then we had, on top of that, we had stop losses because it had been doing so well for so long. I admit I did sell throughout this one I sold today. I only made a measly 1% return, which really stinks. I was way up on it, but I waited too late to sell and to get out. It just kept falling. Now I think it will recover tomorrow, but I have some other things that have kind of happened that I'm going to want to take advantage of probably for tomorrow morning, and I'll cover that more tomorrow morning. The next is NBrev. Oh, NBrev. Why are you sucking so bad? This one continues to go down. Their public offering is closed. There's massive volume. I just think there's just tons of accumulation on this. I am hopeful this will go up, so I am still holding out. Now, I will wait a little longer, but if it doesn't start showing some positive signs of recovery, I will dump it. I'm only up about 5% in it now. I was way up in it, and so I'm kind of getting a little anxious about that. Evoke, same story. Maybe since we're still 2 weeks away from PDUFA, that might be the reason why what's holding it down. It's down 2% today and up a little bit in aftermarket. Hopefully this one wakes up here soon. Again, big time volume, so it looks like accumulation is happening on this. Hopefully the penny flippers get out of this and we get some people that want to buy into it, hold it for PDUFA, and that's what I'm hoping for. So anyway, this is a review of what happened today. Hopefully all of you bought into the top 7 list that I put out this morning. I'll have a new one tomorrow. And anyway, happy trading.